Hello, my people. I greet you now. How na dey? Also na dey fine. My people, wonder shall never end. Oh, wonder shall never end. This one happen for Ogun State. A mother of 6 children. She first get 6 children. So she come get another new baby wey dey for 1 month because she born them for different father. So this one wey born wey dey for 1 month, na know wetin this woman do. Oh God oh. Hey, frustration. This woman use e hand take kpeme e pikin. E use e hand take kpeme am because of say she dey frustrate. Say the man wey give am the belle no come take care again, no come care about that one. But that one reach person to say pikin wey you carry for 9 months. Pikin wey you carry for 9 months. Na wow, some people get mind o. Pikin wey you carry for 9 months because of say the man no wan take care again. Because the way wey the woman take come do, they say e even go dump am for Ogun State that the river wey dey there. The way wey the woman come do, e put am for inside cellophane. Na wow o. Na wow for some people. You don 35 years old woman, you don first get 6 children. Wetin dey pursue you dey go? Which one you wan come born again? Which one you wan come born again? Since wey you first get, you never feel say you wan take care of them. You never even feel say you wan train them finish o. You still go dey carry another belle. I no know, some women they know their brain, I no know where e dey. The one wey you first get, you never even comot yourself for there. You go carry another one. And this one now wey you come carry now, the man come say he no need you again, no need am again. She come decide say okay, wetin she go do? She no fit train the 1 month baby now. He go do as he wan go do am. The way wey he come take do, because he put am for inside cellophane, dey carry am go. I no even want me even dey talk am sef because the thing just dey get as e be. Because I dey vex for some women wey you first don get 6 children, no be say na 3 children you first get. Even though person wey get 2 sef, e dey cry. Talking of say you wey just get 6, you go dey find another one to make am 7. 35 years old. You no think about the way wey you wan take train the one wey you don first get. You go still go dey carry belle. That one na one thing wey dey worry our people for that country. Dem go dey put their hand for where their leg and hand no go reach. Later dem go come dey say dem frustrate. You plan for yourself, plan for your future, plan for the pikin wey you born, plan for many things. Reason wetin you dey do before you dey do am. No be the one wey you just first see, just say okay, me I just still born for this one. Okay, another one go still come, me I just still born for this one. Innocent pikin now. Na im come pay for the wrong decision wey you take. Because the 1 month baby e no get wetin e do you. No be him send himself say he wan come world. But na you now na im come kpeme am. Make una still dey use rubber na. Rubber still dey. That one no still too there. Dem no dey use. Dem no dey use. My brothers and sisters, this video na 2-in-1 video. I go still put the other one. No be video, na just audio. I will still put the other one talk about am. Make una help me share am because I no know wetin dey do some of our women. Na bye bye. My people, nothing wey person no go hear, nothing wey person no go see. This man wey una dey see for this picture so, na 20 years old na im dey. This man, the reason wey the reason dey make me dey even dey laugh. The reason wey he use him hand take kpeme him wife. He say he no dey like the way him wife take dey prepare him food for am. Can you imagine? The way he take dey prepare food for am, he no like am. He use him hand take remove hair for him nose. First of all, 20 years old person, 20 years old, you just complete 18 years. You never even reach anything you wan marry. Wetin dey pursue some of our people? I no know. Wetin dey pursue dem dey go? All this one na misunderstanding wey you no know. You no know, or you no understand the person wey you wan marry, and the other one una no understand each other. to run enter husband house. If I dey talk am say marriage no be say you wan go buy something, you wan go buy sweet make you enter inside house, so no be im be marriage. Marriage na another thing. Understanding matters a lot. The person wey you get for front, whether you, because no be some, you know say some people dey think say na wetin you just enter e no mean na no. Marriage na something wey you enter, you go understand una sef. If you use eye talk, the other one go know. A person wey just be 20 years say e don get wife, person wey just dey 20 years, e small na. You never even know wetin be life, you never even enjoy anything. You just dey start. You just need your space. You need to friend girl, you need to know wetin be life before you say okay I wan get married. See this one na because of say the wife e no like the way we take dey prepare food for am. E use im hand take worry because of that one. And some women, some parents wey dey give their children out. If this one dey 20 years now, how many years the wife go dey? Maybe e go dey 18 years or 19 or the same age. Wetin dey pursue dem dey go, I no know. Some because of say food no dey house, me I just kukuma enter man house, make me with am just start life. Na im dey pursue some. See this one because of misunderstanding. Because if you no like wetin your wife dey as e take dey cook for you, make her understand. No need for you to use your hand take worry. Use im hand take spoil im thing. No need. Or maybe e no dey your mind make you stay with the woman. Tell am say make e go. For you go use your hand. See now, e don go inside because dem don hold am. Ogbalegbe don hold am. Use your hand take worry. Na so I see am reach, my brothers and sisters. Una bye bye o.